back with the remix.
Shop flow poppin' like we never left.
Got the crew in the building, floor to bounce on the grid. Let's go! What's poppin'? Brand new build just put in. Got options, custom stance, live locked in. Just joshing, I'ma spend this weekend locked in. My engine clean, got no toxins. Semi show top 10. Semi show top 10. Whoa, Semi show, yeah. My city and state ain't never seen this. Custom fab work, yeah, the boy genius. On the dyno, watch the torque start rising. When the shop done, we be mesmerizing. Zeros on zeros on zeros, yeah, that's what my accountants say. Got a check from the parts supplier, now I do whatever the custom specs say. Brought it on the frame out of state, got a custom build round the way. Said I'm in town today, she said she coming over and she down to stay. Got a hit, she been playing that track. When I pull up on the lift, I know what she about to say. What's poppin'? Brand new build just pulled in. Got options, custom stance, live locked in. Just joshing, I'ma spend this weekend locked in. My engine clean, got no toxins. Semi show top 10. Call up the team, tell them bring me that torque wrench. Work real good, no shop bench, low mileage. Custom specs, pure horsepower. No playing around, we work by the hour. I'm real creative and stylish. Custom steel in my chassis. I send the order, make the parts spin in them. And I just flew back from LA with the custom gear. Go back and forth, keep the shop in the top tier. Got some independent rich rival shops talking trash. I still don't give a flex what you say. Pull up in the custom beats, raps all real. You wanna keep your stance, then take it easy. Polished chrome wheels, need a squeegee. Rivals watered down, they drinking Fiji. My truck color orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. Tell them that it's over, major moves in the building. What's poppin'? Brand new build just put in. Got options, custom stance, live locked in. Just joshing, I'ma spend this weekend locked in. My engine clean, got no toxins. Semi show top out that custom rig and I caught her out here staring at me, shop order. She calling us elite, yeah, we go farther. I gotta go get it, work hard, no limit. The custom chrome glacier, cash in the wallet. She pulled up to see the bill. Nobody called her, told me that she love how the shop flow moving. Big money, nothing to be proven. So much work on my celly. Gotta tell the rivals, put an order in to reach me. All in my shop account, check in the bankroll. Custom powder coat, watch the chassis glow. Dropped the custom ram, came back in the dually again. She wanna ride again, team on the run again. 5-star bill, shining in the light. Don't gotta stun no more, we doing it right. What's poppin'? Brand new build just put in. Got options, custom stance, live locked in. Just joshing, I'ma spend this weekend locked in. My engine clean, got no toxins. Semi show top 10.